Good morning. Welcome to ABC123 Trader. Today is January 4, 2021, and I want to show you a trade called the Market Open. Unfortunately, I got in a trade, so I'm going to cash out here. And what I want to do is I got to set up my charts. I'm kind of rushing here. And what I will show you is I'm going to use a 30-second chart in order to do the trade. But I also have to look at all my other charts. So right now, I'm just going to be getting things set up. This is a Uni Renko 148 using the scalp trader chart. But what we have to do is on the properties on the chart trader, we got to make sure keep it on keep selected ATM strategy in order to do this trade. So with that being said, let's hopefully I can get this thing set up in time in order for us to do this trade. Okay, now what we're going to do is, this is a 30-second chart, and with the 30-second chart I used two contracts. You can decide whatever your stop limits are, and once again I got to make sure it's on keep selected ATM strategy. I don't use OCO. I have an issue with it for some reason. I don't understand why. But what I'll do is I will look at the energy, and as you can see, we're in a down direction. I'm using a 30-second chart, and what I'll do is I'll create a buy stop, and then what I'll also do, let me move it down first. Whoa, don't go there, sorry. And then what I'll do, I'm going to also create a sell stop. And just before the market open, and unfortunately I'm going to run out of time here, I don't have my timer set up. So what I will do on a separate chart, I will look when it's about 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds before, and set up my trade. See, I jumped in a little early, and now what we do is we try to manage the trade. So while we're managing the trade, I'll set my targets and my stops, and as you can see, I don't need that other trade now, and then I will bring it down, and once it gets to around 20 ticks, I will cash out the first one. So I put $100 in my pocket, and then what I'll do is manage the second one. It's kind of difficult while I'm trading here because I kind of was in a rush this morning. I didn't set up properly. It was the weekend. So now I'm around 20 some ticks, and now let's just cash that one out, put that in the bank. Let's bring down my stop to break even, maybe +1. Let me see if I can get it there. Close enough. Let's get that back so I can show you. Okay, now we're at +1. She's moving really quickly. And we have a couple of targets. We have previous high, but that's the line in the sand, the one in the yellow. And then what I'll do is, or maybe I feel conservative enough, there's that red line where I want it to cash out. Screw it. I'll shut her down now, just in case, because it's for education. So now the bottom line is we made $235 on this trade. Not bad at all. And that's what the market open strategy is. And this is all I really want to show you of what you can do. But before I actually do this trade in the morning, what I have to do is I have to look at all my other energies. And what I mean by all my energies, I will show you my other chart. Okay, on my main chart, I start from the daily chart. I'm using ES because I was teaching ES in the beginning. I know we are in a buy phase, and we have about 8 days left, but we're expecting a pullback. Then I'll go down to a 4-hour chart, and as you can see, she's pulling back already, and that's what we jumped into. And maybe she'll push down harder. We have no idea. Our times were working from midnight till 10 in the morning or 3 in the afternoon. Then what I'll do is I'll go to a 15-minute chart, and as you can see, we're breaking the VWAP, coming back to the market maker line, and that's what I'm really interested in, the line of the sand there. That's what I was trying to show you, and the delta's all pushing down. So that's a really good thing. Then I'll go down to the 1-minute chart and see as we just really broke through the lines, going right back to the market maker. And then what we'll have to watch to see if she's going to bounce back. And this is what I do for the market open trade. And then lastly, of course, I'll just go chart by chart just to double verify. This one's a 5-minute, and we're just chewing right through this market maker here. So, and that was the line in the sand, and now we're going to watch it vibrate for a while, and maybe she's done, or maybe she's going to continue on. And so for the morning trade, just to put some money left, I'll look at the time, and as you can see there's a minute and a half remaining, and then I'll reanalyze once again for the next trade, and then start doing my regular trading, my trading techniques. And that's about it for this video. There's one more thing I want to show you, and let me get the web page about this webinar I'm doing on January 7th. So on January 7th, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a Ninja Trader webinar on January 7th at 4:15 Eastern Standard Time, and it's the 5 things I'm trying to teach you once again, or 5-6 things is risk and reward, volatility in the emini futures, finding support and resistance, discover pullback trading, and the typo, fighting about trading with Tim. So I was walking on the street saying, is there a Tim around? No, it's supposed to be find out about trading with time, which I've showed in many of my videos. Other than that, if you guys don't have the software, you can go to the Discord group, join the Discord group, and you will be able to get a 30-day free trial of all the indicators through the Discord. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.